The first phrasal verb is abide by. Abide by. That means accept or follow a decision or rule. For example, she has to abide by what the court says. She has to abide by what the court says.
There are certain rules that one must abide by in order to successfully survive a horror movie. For instance,
You abide by rules like that?
The second is act on. Act on. That means affect. For example, this drug only acts on the skin. This drug only acts on the skin.
So 2 hours go by before you act on his request?
While we develop a system to help you determine how much intelligence to act on.
The next one is account for. Account for. That means to explain. For example, students must account for all the issues to the headmaster. Students must account for all the issues to the headmaster.
Current estimates are that conflict stones account for only 15% of the market.
This keeps up. I have to open a bank account for you.
A single bullet now has to account for the remaining 7 wounds in Kennedy and Conley.
The fourth phrasal verb is add up. Add up. To make a mathematical total. For example, let's add up these numbers together. Let's add up these numbers together.
Okay, so you're saying I add up the atomic masses of a proton and a neutron, right? Mm-hmm.
It's aggregate, so I'm talking about fractions of a penny here. And over time, they add up to a lot.
Now the last idiom of today, it is ask round. Ask round. That means invite someone. For example, we asked Marina around for dinner. We asked Marina around for dinner. Let's see some examples.
If you like, I can ask round. See if there's an elder who would travel with you.
That is the end of this video. Please write in the comments section what kind of video would you like to see in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.